Ramadan, the holiest month in Islam, is a time of spiritual reflection, self-discipline, and devotion. It is a period marked by fasting, prayer, and acts of charity. While the essence of Ramadan lies in spiritual growth and connection with the divine, the atmosphere at home plays a significant role in enhancing the experience. Home decoration during Ramadan is not merely about aesthetics, but serves as a means to create a conducive environment for reflection, worship, and familial bonding. Setting the scene. Decorating homes during Ramadan is a cherished tradition in many Muslim households worldwide. It is a time when families come together to adorn their living spaces with an array of decorations that symbolize the essence and significance of this sacred month. From intricate lanterns to vibrant tapestries, each decoration carries its own symbolism, adding depth and meaning to the ambience of the home. The essence of Ramadan decoration. Ramadan decorations serve multiple purposes beyond mere ornamentation. They serve as visual reminders of the significance of the month, prompting individuals to engage in acts of worship and reflection. Moreover, these decorations create an atmosphere of joy and festivity, fostering a sense of community and togetherness among family members and neighbors. One of the most iconic Ramadan decorations is the lantern, known as fainas in Arabic. These lanterns hold a special place in the hearts of Muslims, symbolizing the light of guidance that illuminates their path during this sacred month. Hung from ceilings or placed on tables, fainas exude a warm and inviting glow, serving as a constant reminder of the spiritual journey undertaken during Ramadan. In addition to lanterns, other decorations such as colorful fabrics, intricately designed rugs, and calligraphic art pieces are also commonly used to adorn homes during Ramadan. These decorations not only beautify the space, but also infuse it with a sense of spirituality and reverence. Creating a sacred space. The act of decorating one's home for Ramadan goes beyond mere aesthetics. It is an opportunity to transform the domestic space into a sanctuary for spiritual growth and reflection. By carefully selecting and arranging decorations, individuals can create an environment that facilitates inner peace and contemplation. For many families, the centerpiece of their Ramadan decoration is the iftar table. Adorned with elegant tablecloths, floral arrangements, and candlelight, the iftar table becomes a focal point for communal gatherings and shared meals. The act of breaking fast together is imbued with a sense of reverence and gratitude, heightened by the ambience created through thoughtful decoration. Moreover, incorporating elements of nature, such as flowers and plants, into home decor during Ramadan can further enhance the spiritual atmosphere. The presence of greenery serves as a reminder of the bounties of creation and the importance of stewardship and gratitude. Fostering family traditions. Decorating the home for Ramadan is not merely a superficial activity but a means of passing down traditions and values from one generation to the next. Children eagerly participate in the decoration process, learning about the significance of each ornament and the rituals associated with the month. Furthermore, the act of decorating the home becomes a shared family experience, strengthening bonds and creating lasting memories. Whether it's hanging up handmade decorations or preparing special dishes for iftar, families come together to partake in the joys of Ramadan, reinforcing the sense of unity and belonging. Symbolism in decorations. Lanterns, fainas lanterns are iconic symbols of Ramadan. Traditionally, they represent the light of guidance that leads individuals towards righteousness and spirituality. These lanterns are often adorned with intricate designs and are illuminated with candles or LED lights, creating a warm and inviting ambience. Crescent moons and stars, symbols of Islam, crescent moons and stars are commonly incorporated into Ramadan decorations. They represent the lunar calendar, which determines the beginning and end of Ramadan, as well as the spiritual significance of the night sky during this holy month. Calligraphy and Islamic art, Arabic calligraphy featuring verses from the Quran or phrases praising Allah, is often displayed as part of Ramadan decorations. These artworks add a sense of reverence and spirituality to the home environment. Colorful fabrics and textiles, vibrant textiles such as tapestries, rugs, and cushions are used to add color and warmth to the home. These fabrics often feature intricate patterns and designs inspired by Islamic art and architecture, creating a visually stunning backdrop for Ramadan festivities. Traditional versus modern decorations. While traditional Ramadan decorations often feature handmade or artisanal items such as lanterns, tapestries, and pottery, modern decor options are also becoming increasingly popular. LED lights, string lights, and inflatable decorations are being used to create elaborate displays both indoors and outdoors. Some families choose to blend traditional and modern elements in their decorations, incorporating traditional lanterns and textiles alongside contemporary lighting and decor accessories, creating a welcoming atmosphere. The primary goal of Ramadan home decoration is to create a welcoming and spiritually uplifting atmosphere for family members and guests. This often involves arranging furniture and decor in a way that facilitates communal gatherings and shared meals. Soft lighting, such as candlelight or dimmable lamps, can help create a cozy and intimate ambience during evening gatherings and prayers. Fragrant incense or diffusers with scents such as oud, rose, or jasmine can enhance the sensory experience and evoke feelings of tranquility and spirituality. Community and neighborhood decorations. In many Muslim-majority countries and communities, Ramadan is celebrated collectively, with neighborhoods and public spaces adorned with elaborate decorations. Community organizations, mosques, and local businesses often organize competitions or collaborative decorating initiatives to foster a sense of community spirit and unity during Ramadan. Sustainability and eco-friendly decor. With increasing awareness of environmental issues, many individuals are opting for sustainable and eco-friendly decorations for Ramadan. Reusable decorations made from natural materials such as wood, bamboo, or recycled paper are gaining popularity, offering an environmentally conscious alternative to disposable or plastic decorations. DIY, do-it-yourself, decorations made from repurposed materials or natural elements such as dried flowers, leaves, and branches are also becoming more prevalent, allowing individuals to express their creativity while minimizing their environmental footprint. By incorporating these elements into their Ramadan home decorations, individuals can create a meaningful and spiritually enriching environment that enhances their experience of the holy month. Whether traditional or modern, the key is to infuse the home with love, warmth, and a sense of reverence for the blessings of Ramadan. Themed decorations and table settings. Many families choose to incorporate specific themes into their Ramadan decorations, reflecting cultural traditions, regional influences, or personal preferences. For example, Moroccan-themed decorations might feature intricate mosaic patterns, brass lanterns, and vibrant textiles, while Turkish-inspired decor may include colorful ceramics, Turkish rugs, and tulip-shaped glassware. Table settings for iftar, the meal to break the fast, and suhoor, the pre-dawn meal, are often adorned with special touches to enhance the dining experience. This can include decorative placemats, elegant dinnerware, and ornate serving dishes filled with traditional Ramadan foods and desserts. Interactive and educational decorations for children. Decorating for Ramadan provides an opportunity to engage children in learning about the significance of the month and its rituals. Families can incorporate educational elements into their decorations, such as posters or banners displaying Ramadan-related vocabulary or explanations of fasting and charity. DIY crafts and activities related to Ramadan can be integrated into the decor, allowing children to create their own decorations or participate in Ramadan-themed art projects. This not only fosters creativity but also helps children develop a deeper understanding and appreciation of their faith. Lighting displays and illumination techniques. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood for Ramadan decorations. Families often use a combination of natural light, candles, and electric lights to create a warm and inviting ambience. Decorative lighting displays, such as string lights, fairy lights, and light curtains, can be used to accentuate architectural features, highlight decorations, and create a magical atmosphere indoors and outdoors. Projection mapping technology is also being increasingly utilized to create dynamic lighting effects, such as projecting intricate patterns, calligraphy, or images onto walls and ceilings, adding a modern twist to traditional Ramadan decorations. Digital and virtual decorations. In the digital age, technology offers new avenues for Ramadan home decoration. Families can use digital screens, projectors, and virtual reality (VR) headsets to create immersive and interactive decor experiences. Digital decorations may include animated wallpapers or screensavers featuring Ramadan-themed imagery, virtual tours of historical mosques and landmarks, or interactive storytelling apps that teach children about the significance of Ramadan. Charitable and philanthropic decorations. As Ramadan is a time of giving and charity, some families choose to incorporate charitable elements into their decorations. This can include displays highlighting local or global humanitarian causes, donation drives for food banks or relief organizations, or DIY decorations made from recycled materials as a nod to environmental sustainability. Families may also host iftar gatherings or community events as part of their Ramadan decorations, inviting neighbors, friends, and those in need to share in the blessings of the month and foster a sense of solidarity and compassion. In conclusion, home decoration during Ramadan is a time-honored tradition that serves to enrich the spiritual experience of the month. From lanterns to tapestries, each decoration carries its own significance, infusing the home with a sense of reverence and joy. By creating a sacred space for reflection and worship, families can deepen their connection to the divine and to each other, fostering a spirit of unity and compassion that extends beyond the confines of the home. As we adorn our homes for Ramadan, let us remember the true essence of the month and strive to embody its teachings of compassion, generosity, and spiritual growth.